What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video, rebuilding 2016 Ferrari 488 GTB Part 3. If you guys haven't seen Part 1 and 2, I'll put a link in the description so you guys can check it out. I was buying the car from the storage unit and all the way to this point. So in this video, we're gonna start replacing the airbags. We gotta replace the driver's side and the passenger side, so it should be a lot of fun. And after that, we're gonna start installing the cages, welding the cages, and start installing all the radiators, condenser, all the air ducts, pretty much put the whole front end together. So super excited about this video. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna pick the lucky winner who's gonna win this Ferrari badge. So stick around, we'll find out at the end of this video. And I wanna say a big thank you to you guys for watching this video. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification because we post new videos every week, new videos. So go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Enough of this talk and let's get to work. So right now we're removing the seat belts because both of the seat belts locked in, so we gotta send them out to get reprogrammed. Let's take a look. So yeah, I had to remove the seat belts. So now we're gonna replace this airbag real quick, and we got the new one right there. Get things moving. Boom, brand new airbag. Gonna slide in there and we're good. We'll start working on the passenger. Passenger is going to be a lot of fun. Lots of screws. Mr. Dimitri going to do the surgery on the airbags.
Who broke the little guy?
Probably you. Who else? Driver airbag installed, so next one, this is gonna be fun. Oh, this is gonna be a lot of fun. So many hidden bolts. So yeah, should be fun. That's it, just replaced all the airbags, so we're good to go. So next we're gonna put the car back on the lift and start welding the cages and all that good stuff. So let's do it. we're doing a little test fitting before we start doing the final welds. So we installed the bumper, the hood, make sure everything is Gucci. So let's take a look. All the gaps are looking good. Everything is aligning really well. Just little adjustment, but for the most everything is good. So we installed the cages so we could start welding them. That is it, my friends. Cages are installed, welded, and good to go. So next, what we're gonna do, we're gonna start installing radiator, condenser, and all that good stuff. Pretty much get the whole front end together. So let's go. That is it, my friends. We put the Ferrari back together, looking good. Gaps are perfect, like nothing ever happened. So next we're gonna start painting the car. I'm gonna remove the car off the lift and start taking everything apart because we're doing a complete paint job. So I'm gonna show you guys the whole process, how to make this paint job 100% perfect. So stay tuned. We'll end the video here. I still gotta announce the lucky winner for the Ferrari badge. So let's go do that and we'll find out who's the lucky winner. The moment we all been waiting for, to find out who's gonna be the lucky winner of this Ferrari badge. I even signed it for you guys. So we'll be using Comment Picker to get a random winner for this emblem. So let's jump in and find out who's gonna be the lucky winner. Let's go. For this giveaway, we're gonna be using Comment Picker, and let's find out who's the lucky winner. We got 763 comments. Thank you guys so much for participating, and let's find out who's the lucky winner. Going once, going twice, and the lucky winner is Christoph. Congrats, my friend. The Ferrari emblem is as easy as walking few houses down and hand delivering to me, Vlad. So congratulations, my, I guess, next door neighbor. Would love to meet you. So come grab your badge And congratulations once again. If you guys didn't win this time, don't worry, you'll win next time, I promise. I got plenty more giveaways coming up. And I want to say a big thank you to every single one of you guys for participating in this giveaway, for all your positive comments, your feedback. Man, I'm speechless. Thank you guys so much. You guys are just a bunch of rock stars. We'll end the video here. Stay tuned for part 4. In part 4, we're going to start painting the car, and I'll show you guys the whole painting process, how to make this paint job 100% perfect. So thank you once again. If you're new to this channel, you know what to do. Smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video as well. And I'll catch you guys in part 4. До свидания!